Let's be honest, laundry appliances aren't the most exciting things in the house. But when your washer is leaking or your dryer is taking 3 cycles to finish a load, suddenly they matter a lot. If space is tight, or you're just trying to keep things more streamlined, a good stackable washer and dryer can make a big difference. Whether you're looking for something high-tech, budget-friendly, or built like a tank, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going through 6 of the best stackable washer-dryer sets available right now. Links to the products we mention are in the description below. Number 6. Electrolux Laundry Tower, Model ELTE7300AT. If you're working with limited space but still want full-size performance, the Electrolux Laundry Tower might be exactly what you need. This is an all-in-one vertical unit, which means you don't have to stack 2 separate machines. It's already built that way. That setup makes installation easier and keeps everything feeling more solid and seamless, especially in tight laundry closets or apartments. The washer on this unit has a 4.5 cubic foot capacity, which is plenty for most households. The dryer up top gives you 8.0 cubic feet of room, which can easily handle king-size comforters or large family loads. The controls sit right in the middle, easy to reach without stretching or bending, and it's all managed through a responsive color LCD display that feels more like using a tablet than a washing machine. Performance-wise, you're getting LuxCare Wash for fabric protection and thorough cleaning, plus Balance Dry, which prevents over-drying and helps save energy. It also has smart features like steam options and customizable cycles, making it more adaptable than most one-piece designs on the market. We found it to be surprisingly quiet too. Since it's one integrated tower, the vibration and noise are better contained compared to stacking separate units. But it's not perfect. The price is definitely on the higher side, and the fact that it's a single structure means if one part goes out, you're potentially replacing the whole thing, or dealing with more limited service options. Still, for anyone who values convenience, design, and space saving without compromising on capacity, the Electrolux Laundry Tower is a solid choice. Number 5. LG WM3400CW and DLE3400W. If you're looking for a dependable stackable washer and dryer that doesn't blow up your budget, the LG WM3400CW and DLE3400W set is one of the best no-frills options out there. It skips the smart features and app integration, but still nails the basics, which, honestly, is all some people really need. The washer offers a 4.5 cubic foot drum with a 1300 RPM spin speed, which helps extract water efficiently and cuts down drying time. You get 8 wash cycles, including a deep wash for bigger loads and a speed wash when you're in a rush. It's straightforward, intuitive to use, and doesn't require a learning curve. On the drying side, the DLE3400W gives you 7.4 cubic feet of space and includes Sensor Dry, which monitors moisture levels to avoid overdrying. There's also a wrinkle care option that tumbles clothes intermittently after the cycle ends, keeping things from coming out looking like they were stuffed in a bag. It's a nice touch, especially at this price point. You'll need to buy a stacking kit separately if you're planning to set them up vertically, but once that's in place, the unit feels compact and secure. The footprint is perfect for apartments or homes where space is tight, but you don't want to downgrade to smaller capacity machines. One thing worth mentioning, it's noticeably quieter than other machines in the same price range. You still hear it working, but there's less banging, shaking, or rattling even during the spin cycle. It's not silent, but it won't take over your living space with noise either. If you want solid wash and dry performance, reliable design, and don't care about Wi-Fi or flashy displays, this LG pair delivers exactly what you need, and not much you don't. Number 4. LG Front Load WashTower Laundry Center. This one's a bit of a standout. The LG Front Load WashTower takes the concept of a stackable washer and dryer and blends it into a single streamlined unit. Instead of 2 machines balanced on top of each other, you're getting one connective structure with a shared control panel placed right in the center, so no bending down or reaching way up just to start a cycle. The washer has a 4.5 cubic foot capacity, and the dryer holds 7.4 cubic feet. Enough for larger loads, but still compact enough to tuck into a hallway closet or a tighter laundry nook. You get LG's Turbo Wash 360 in the washer, which uses 5 jets to clean clothes quickly and evenly. On the drying side, AI Sensor Dry adjusts time and temperature to help protect fabrics while saving energy. It's also one of the smarter units on the list. With LG's ThinkU app, you can start cycles remotely, get notified when loads are done, or even download new wash settings. It's ideal if you're the type of person who starts laundry and forgets about it until the next day. Design-wise, it's hard to beat. It looks modern, feels solid, and the unified frame gives it a cleaner footprint than traditional stackable sets. It's a great fit for anyone who wants a high-efficiency setup that doesn't look like an afterthought. That said, there's one trade-off worth noting, because it's a single-piece unit. Replacing either the washer or dryer individually isn't an option. If something major breaks down years from now, you're likely looking at replacing the whole tower. But for now, it offers a great balance of function, style, and space-saving appeal. Number 3. Electrolux ELFW7637AT and ELFE7637AT. If stain removal is at the top of your priority list, this Electrolux pair is worth a serious look. The ELFW7637AT washer and ELFE7637AT dryer are built for performance, with a focus on fabric care and efficiency that stands out, especially if your laundry room sees heavy use. The washer offers 4.5 cubic feet of space and features Smart Boost technology, which pre-mixes the detergent with water before it ever hits your clothes. That might sound minor, but it makes a noticeable difference, especially on things like ground and dirt, oily spots, or food stains. The LuxCare Plus wash system also adjusts water levels, temperature, and cycle time for better care across fabric types. You also get steam options, sanitized settings, and a fast wash cycle that can clean lightly soiled clothes in just 15 minutes. It's the kind of flexibility that's helpful for busy households where laundry never really stops. The dryer doesn't skimp either. With Predictive Dry, it estimates exactly how long the load will take. No more checking constantly or running things twice. The instant refresh cycle uses steam to knock out wrinkles and odors in just 10 minutes, which is especially handy for clothes you didn't get to fold right away. Noise-wise, this set falls in the middle. You'll hear it running, especially during the spin cycle, but it's not jarring or overly loud. For most homes, it won't be a problem unless your laundry area is right next to a quiet space like a nursery or office. You will need a separate stacking kit to set these up vertically, but once installed, they feel secure and well-balanced. For larger families or anyone doing frequent heavy loads, the Electrolux 7637 pair offers reliable cleaning power without cutting corners. Number 2. Samsung Bespoke Stackable Front-Load Washer and Dryer. This set is where style meets serious function. The Samsung Bespoke Front-Load Washer and Dryer are part of Samsung's design-focused lineup, and they definitely look the part. Clean lines, customizable color panels, and a premium finish make this pair feel more like built-in furniture than standard laundry appliances. But it's not just a pretty face. The washer has a huge 5.3 cubic foot capacity, one of the largest in its class, and includes an auto-detergent dispenser, which can hold enough detergent for up to 20 loads. It also features Samsung's AI Smart Dial, which learns your washing habits over time and recommends cycles based on what you use most. The dryer comes in at 7.6 cubic feet and includes Steam Sanitize Plus to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria. You'll also get Sensor Dry technology that automatically adjusts heat and time to prevent over or under drying. A reversible door adds flexibility during installation, and the build quality feels substantial across both machines. Both units are Wi-Fi connected and work through the SmartThings app, letting you start cycles remotely, get cycle status updates, and even troubleshoot minor issues with smart diagnostics. For tech-savvy users or anyone who appreciates convenience, it's a well-executed system that actually works. That said, this is the heaviest set on our list, and the combined weight could be something to keep in mind, especially if you're installing on an upper floor or older surface. You'll also want to factor in the higher price tag, but given the size, features, and connected experience, it's fair for what you're getting. For those who want laundry appliances that look good, work hard, and integrate smartly into the rest of the home, Samsung's Bespoke Stackable pair makes a strong case. Number 1. LG WM3400CW and DLEX4000W Stackable Set. If you're after the best balance of performance, features, and price, this LG pair takes the top spot for good reason. The WM4000HEWA washer and DLEX4000W dryer offer everything most households need, and then some, without drifting into overcomplicated or overpriced territory. The washer comes with a 4.5 cubic foot drum and a 1300 RPM spin speed. It features Turbo Wash 360, which uses 5 powerful jets to cut wash time down without sacrificing cleaning power. There's also the Allergen cycle, which uses steam to eliminate pet dander, dust mites, and other common allergens, great for families with sensitivities or kids with asthma. In total, you get 14 wash cycles covering everything from delicates to bulky bedding. The dryer holds 7.4 cubic feet and includes True Steam technology for reducing wrinkles and refreshing clothes without a full wash. Sensor Dry adjusts to drying time based on moisture levels, so you're not running the machine longer than necessary, and with Wrinkle Care, gently tumbles clothes after a cycle ends to prevent creasing. Both machines are Wi-Fi enabled and work with LG's ThinQ app, allowing for remote starts, cycle notifications, and even Alexa or Google Assistant integration. If you tend to forget the laundry's running or just don't want to walk back and forth, it's a practical addition that actually saves time. These units are ENERGY Star certified, reliable, and well-suited for busy households. They also tend to run a little quieter than average, though not totally silent. You'll still hear the spin cycle if your laundry space is close to the main living area, but it's not destructive. With strong user reviews, a wide feature set, and pricing that doesn't overreach, this LG stackable set delivers on nearly every front, and that's why it's our #1 pick. So that wraps up our list of the top 6 stackable washer and dryer sets worth checking out right now. Whether you're after smart features, budget reliability, or just something that fits your space, hopefully one of these options stood out to you. All the product links are down in the description if you want to take a closer look. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like. It really helps the channel. And let us know in the comments which model you're leaning toward or already have in your home. Thanks for watching.